Established in 2012, Dermatology Partners was created with a mission to enable each of our doctors to provide seamless and excellent patient care. We knew that the appropriate technology was essential to support these standards of care. Evaluating the requirements of efficiency, security, reliability, affordability, and scalability, we knew we would need a carefully selected palette of products to achieve our goals. We selected the UCS system and Univention server as our tool. As we grew from 1 to now 26 locations with over 200,000 patients under our care, this platform has proved to be everything we needed. Headquartered in Reading, Pennsylvania, we are surrounded by a diverse mix of people from farmers to suburbanites. The Reading area once thrived with the evolution of the Reading Railroad and many industrial companies. This has produced a population of people who, from exposure to sun or chemicals over their lifetime, have many skin issues ranging from recurrent rashes to skin cancer. Dermatology Partners prides itself on caring for these patients through our unique practice model and stellar customer service. Our technological platform has been key to helping us scale these processes while remaining nimble. As our organization expands, managing our technology in a controlled and secure way continues to be a top priority. Univention has allowed us to improve our ability to monitor, update, and deploy new programs with ease to help our providers care for their patients in an efficient manner. Univention provides us with high-level analytics that give us the insight to see where we can streamline processes and resolve pain points and inefficiencies. Easy integrations through LDAP with third-party applications such as Open Exchange, Nextcloud, Zamod, and more have given us the ability to communicate and collaborate across our locations. The legendary reliability and security of Linux is an added value. Univention gives us the technology, the scalability that we need to support our providers. It allows us to continue our growth and to continue providing excellent care to our patients.
What was your motivation to start with UCS, and what pain points did you have before? We began looking at options to migrate from Microsoft's infrastructure due to replication and other issues that surfaced as we expanded. The frequent need for support intervention reached a tipping point where we needed a more reliable, secure, and stable solution that we would be able to scale and trust to grow our enterprise. We wanted a solution that would integrate with our existing hardware and network architecture. Univention was very appealing as it was at the time innovative and had endless integration possibilities. As a healthcare provider, we are always looking for the most secure and cutting-edge platforms to build into our environment. Dermatology Partners ultimately chose Univention because it is based on the secure gold standard Debian Linux.
Question 2 is, what components do you use for UCS and for what purpose? We use many facets of Univention on a daily basis. Primarily, we are using it as a substitute for Active Directory, as well as an LDAP authentication server with which we have many integrated IT services pointing towards. We employ a master domain controller as well as many slave servers, with one at each of our clinics. This provides local and fast authentication for workstations. We take advantage of the Univention app suite. Our email runs on Open Exchange. We use Nextcloud Talk for video calls between clinics and remote appointments, as well as training. The Nextcloud file system serves as our primary method for collaboration and archiving. We even host an internal employee portal using the WordPress app, which can easily be edited and updated as we grow. At its core, Univention's directory service enables our growth by providing the IT team with an efficient and reliable way to create and manage our user base as we take on new employees or delegate new responsibilities within our organization. We utilize the user and group modules on a daily basis, and the admin diary now provides an easy-to-access front-end log of changes made. Several other IT services that we host outside of Univention, including our chat client and ticket system, are connected to the LDAP directory. It updates quickly and reliably to get our employees into the systems that they need.
Question number 3. How was the migration to UCS and were there any issues? The migration to Univention was very straightforward and user-friendly. The existing hardware in our network was able to be virtualized and repurposed for Univention. We were able to set up member servers at each site and join them to our master domain controller. The identity and infrastructure management system made it very simple to add on applications, users, and other resources. Replication has worked very quickly and flawlessly between our sites. We were able to copy our existing Active Directory and join workstations to the new domain we created. We have even been able to deploy third-party applications using LDAP and Samba seamlessly within our environment.
Question 4 is, what do you like most on UCS and where do you see chances for improvement? We enjoy the ease of adding a new slave system to serve as our local authentication server. The installation process is quick and it joins the domain without issue. We appreciate this because there are many tasks at hand when preparing a new clinic for opening, and knowing your domain is going to reliably spin up allows us the freedom to continue working at a strong pace and handle our other responsibilities. We believe that an area which may have room for improvement would be LDAP logging or user authentication logging. We believe this area may benefit from a more condensed retrieval system, such as a front-end solution similar to the admin diary, or perhaps a single source such as a file dedicated to mapping out and logging user-level actions and authentication. We would appreciate this coming from a healthcare auditing standpoint. Having actions such as session logins or password changes condensed into a single file or a single source would give us a lot of confidence, and we think it would be a great attribute for UCS. Question 5 is, do you have any future plans on expanding your IT environment? Yes, we do. We are currently involved in migrating our IT infrastructure into a co-location data center. Coinciding with this, we have elected to start fresh on a new UCS environment. We'll be using the lessons and experience from our previous build to create a more efficient and appropriate domain for our organization. We will strengthen our core IT assets and lay the groundwork for continued growth as a company in the future. It's been a great experience with UCS, and we're glad to have you with us in our journey. We look forward to growing with you and to what the future of Univention will bring. Thank you for joining us in this brief glimpse into our company and the impact Univention has had on us.